Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. I'm back with another brand new book to share. And this is the latest book by Kate Messner. It is The Whale's Tale and the Otter Side of the Story. It is a book to read from front to back and back to front. It is published by HarperCollins, and we want to thank everybody for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, are you ready to read this book? I have never read a book quite like this before, so I'm really excited to hear what you think about it. Let's get started. The Whale's Tale and the Otter's Side of the Story. Whales are the best. There's no way that otters are cooler. I'm certain of it. Everybody knows that. So what do you think? Do you think whales are better or otters? You have to let me know. Whales are smart and team up to hunt for food. I don't want to hear about how otters are social creatures who stick together for protection. Want to see something that's actually impressive? Whales communicate by singing. No one cares that. Otters hold hands while they sleep. Since we're talking about love, you should know that whales are better parents, and it's silly to suggest otters snuggle their babies and teach them how to swim. What's really cool is that whales are powerful swimmers whose tails propel them through the water. Don't bother trying to tell me that otters are important to the ecosystem. It's 100% scientific fact that whales help the environment. There will always be somebody shouting about how otters matter for a million reasons, but whales are absolutely, positively cooler than otters in every single way. So, before we flip it backwards, did you know any of those things? Did you know any of the facts that I read so far? Well, now we are going to read the book from the last page to the first page for the otter side of the story. Are you ready to do that? All right. In every single way, otters are positively, absolutely cooler than whales. Otters matter for a million reasons, but there will always be somebody shouting about how whales help the environment. It's 100% scientific fact that otters are important to the ecosystem. Don't bother trying to tell me that whales are powerful swimmers whose tails propel them through the water. What's really cool is that otters snuggle their babies and teach them to swim. I didn't know that. I didn't know that they taught their babies to swim. I did know they snuggled them. It's silly to suggest that whales are better parents. And since we're talking about love, you should know that otters hold hands while they sleep. Did you know that? No one cares that whales communicate by singing. Want to see something that's actually impressive? Otters are social creatures who stick together for protection. I didn't know that. I didn't know a lot of these facts about otters. I don't want to hear about how whales are smart and team up to hunt for food. Everybody knows that otters are cooler. I'm certain of it. There's no way that whales are the best. The end. So, what did you think about this story? What did you learn more about? Did you know more whale facts or did you know more otter facts? And who's the best, whales or otters? When you come in to check out this book, let me know what you think. And let me know what you think about this story. I'll be back next week with another brand new book to share. So until then, everyone have a wonderful weekend. Come in and visit me, check out this book, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.